Hi, in this video, we will discuss an interesting topic on how to overcome overthinking, drawing inspiration from the renowned philosopher, Socrates. So, there was once a philosopher named Socrates. He was a cool philosopher from ancient Greece. He was born in Athens, a cool city in Greece, around 470 BC. Unfortunately, he never wrote anything himself, so what we know about him mostly comes from the writings of his students, especially Plato. Socrates was well known for his wisdom and his perplexing way of questioning. He loved to ask people questions in public places like markets or elsewhere, often focusing on moral truths and wisdom. He strongly believed that true knowledge could only be sought through dialogue and critical investigation. However, because Socrates boldly questioned and frequently criticized traditional beliefs, he eventually became perceived as a threat by society. He was accused of undermining traditional faith and influencing the youth. In the end, in 399 BC, Socrates was tried and sentenced to death by drinking poison. Although Socrates left no personal writings, his ideas and questioning methods remain foundational in Western philosophy. His students, like Plato, wrote about his teachings and their works. Therefore, we can still feel his influence today. Sometimes, we may feel overwhelmed and overly burdened due to pressure and expectations from our work. If we get caught in the cycle of overthinking, it can destroy our creativity, leading to anxiety and doubt. But don't worry, because an unexamined mind is a treasure buried. So let's explore some Socratic-inspired ways to overcome overthinking that can help us face these challenges wisely. First, we need to recognize our own thoughts. We must know what we are thinking and avoid confusing ourselves. Then, we can question ourselves critically. In essence, we must be analytical about the foundations of our thoughts. Second, we should focus on things we can control. We cannot dwell on what others think. For example, as a content creator on YouTube, I don't know what's on your minds while watching my videos. I can't control that, but what I can do is focus on the quality of the content I create. Third, we can learn from failure. If we make a mistake or fail, we shouldn't overthink it, as that will bring us down. Instead, we can learn from it and strive to improve in the future. Fourth, we can talk to others. Maybe you can have a conversation with friends, family, mentors, or someone knowledgeable in the field. Sometimes, they can provide a different perspective, allowing us to see the situation from a new angle. Fifth, we must be grateful and appreciate the present moment. We should focus on what we have now. For instance, as a content creator on YouTube, I need to concentrate on the content I create and not worry about the future or what we haven't achieved. So, that's how to overcome overthinking from Socrates. I hope we can apply this content in our lives, whether as content creators or in other situations. Hopefully, these tips can help us overcome overthinking and elevate our creativity and well-being to a higher level. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Stay creative and wise, just like Socrates. See you at the top.